just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. A lot more, I just pat behind us, more trees down, and so far I'd say we have a pretty solid, hard to say, but I'd say a pretty solid 8 inches of wet heavy snow, and that looks to be about the end of this. So anything we're getting after this is just some light flurries, but this is a fantastic base. There's a lot of water in this snow, and this snowmobile season is going to be a good year. Look how gorgeous that is. Just gorgeous. But yeah, so we got her plowed out, and that went good. I'd like to get these duals off, but I think the loader is just way too much weight with the single tires up there. But maybe we'll try it once, because the duals for snow plowing, I mean, the duals stick out past the bucket, so it makes it kind of miserable. Normally, if the snow was dry and, fluffy snow, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But when it's wet like this, I mean, the duals, the inside tires are driving on clean path, and the duals are riding on top of the snow. And so, but yeah, we'll let's put on the forks and go check out the cows and see how the cows are surviving this winter blizzard. The goofy steers, we always worry about this weather, like, are they going to stay warm enough? Not one of them is dry. Not one of them stayed in the hut or in the lean-to. They must have been in there some point. It's getting a little dirty in there, so we got to get new straw in there. But yeah, they'll stay outside all the time, them goofballs. So let's go check the cows. A lot of the snow is off the wire, but this morning when I drove by, that wire was 2 inches in diameter with snow on it. It was sagged. It's broke. It broke a couple spots of wire over there. So, hello, ladies. We'll run this across the field. We'll feed over here. This is a little ridge that needs help as well. So we'll feed over here for a while, then we'll get back up to the top of the hill. But for the next several days, the wind is coming out of the southeast. So we'll just feed over here till the wind switches. When the wind switches out of the northwest, then they'll go up to that tree line. It is pretty though. How good did they clean up? Oh yeah, they cleaned that right up. Nice. Good job, ladies. Good job. So we'll put these two just on the other side. You can see their path to that old area. Why? I don't know. They're just fascinated with that little area. And why? I have no idea. I get nervous that they're going to be goofing around and then slip and fall on the hill. They get playing around on the hill back there, but whatever. Well, we got, after being out here, it seems like compared to my booth and stuff, we got an easy, honest 13 inches would be my best guess out in the open. But they'll do just fine. Well, it's going to get cold next week. Below zero overnights, single digit highs. The ground, there is no frost in the ground. So now with this layer of snow, I feel better about our water line for its first winter being on, coming across the field. But yeah, they seem to be doing fine. That one bale's kind of crappy looking, so I tore the outside skin off the top, lifted it up, bounced it around, but it's still a little punky on this side. But they'll rub against it, step on it, lay on it, and they'll get to the inside and they'll eat her up. They always seem to disappear. So them 4 bales will last us several days, and we'll be back out here to do it again. Goofballs. There you can see the fence. Same with the power line. The fence just sagging. That's a lot of weight. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I should be snowmobiling today, not feeding cows and working in the shop. Someday.